Hi everyone. So today we will discuss the combined topic mathematical reasoning and statistics. As you know, mathematical reasoning is a very simple chapter and statistics you are studying from 10th standard. So let us start solving some questions on mathematical reasoning and then statistics. Question number 1. Which of the following is a statement? First we will see which are not a statement. Not a statement. One is it should not contain a request, order, yesterday, here, there, tomorrow, etc. So here option B, C, D or something like order. Option B, C, D or order. Here option A, roses are black. Whether it is true or false, option A is a statement. Roses are black, it is a false, but it is a statement. We'll go for next one. The negation of a statement, it is raining and weather is cold. When coming to negation, negation of P and Q logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Whenever and symbol is there, you will get or symbol. The negation of P and Q, this is and, this is or. The negation of P and Q. Here the statement, it is raining, is P. It is raining, Q. Weather is cold. It is raining and weather is cold. So therefore the negation P or negation Q, it is not raining, it is not raining or weather is not cold. So you can observe, it is not raining or weather is not cold. Option C is the answer. So this is the important formula. You should remember, negation of P and Q logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q, and vice versa. If it is negation of P or Q, logically equivalent to negation P and negation Q. We'll go for next one. Which of the following is the converse of the statement? If Billu secure good marks, then he will get a bicycle. So here, for a conditional statement P then Q, inverse is given by negation P then negation Q. Converse Q then P. Contrapositive negation Q, then negation P. So they are asking converse. So here the given statement is, if Billu secure good marks, then he will get a bicycle. So write the reverse. If Billu will get a bicycle, then he will secure good marks. So here we have to take the converse of the statement. If Billu will get a bicycle, then he will secure good marks. We'll go for next one. Which of the following is a statement? So here x is a real number, switch off the fan, let me go, 6 is a natural number. So here option C is a statement. We'll go for next one. Fifth one. Which of the following is not a statement? Come here. This is an order. It is not a statement. Here, sixth one, the connective in the statement. Sixth one, the connective, the word is are. Option B is the answer. Sixth one. Seventh one, the connective word. Again the seventh one. And. Option D. The negation of the statement, a circle is an ellipse. Eighth one, observe. You should add not. A circle is not an ellipse. Option C is the answer. Here we have to add not. Go for next one. You will get one question sure from mathematical reasoning. Ninth one, the negation of the statement, 7 is greater than 8. So you can write down 7 is not greater than 8. Seven is not greater than 8. Option B. We'll go for next one. 10th one. The negation of the statement, 72 is divisible by 2 and 3. Again, P and Q logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. 72 is not divisible by 2. 72 is not divisible by 2, or 72 is not divisible by 3. 72 is not divisible by 2 or 72 is not divisible by 3. Option A is the answer. You should know this formula. Negation of P and Q logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Next one. Eleventh one. The negation of the statement plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So here again the formula is same. Negation of P and Q logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. Here the plants take in carbon dioxide. Plants do not take in carbon dioxide or do not give out oxygen. You can observe here, plants do not take carbon dioxide or do not give oxygen. So here option B is the answer. You go for next one. Twelfth one. The negation of the statement Rajesh or Rajni lived in Bangalore. Again, negation of P or Q logically equivalent to negation P and negation Q. So here Rajesh did not live in Bangalore and Rajni did not live in Bangalore. Observe here did not or becomes and here option C. Here formula is very important one. Next one. 13th one. The negation of the statement 101 is not a multiple of 3. Here already not symbol is there, remove not. Therefore 101 is a multiple of 3. 101 is a multiple of 3. Option A. We'll go for next one. Fourteenth one. The contrapositive statement. If 7 is greater than 5, then 8 is greater than 6. The contrapositive is given by negation Q, then negation P. That is, if 8 is not greater than 6, then 7 is not greater than 5. Option C. You can observe contrapositive nothing but negation Q then negation P. Here not. First sentence is Q, that is negation Q. Second sentence is negation P. The next one, fifteenth one, the converse of the statement. Converse is given by Q then P. Converse. So we have to reverse the statement. That is, if x plus a greater than y plus a, then x greater than y. That is option B. I will repeat. Converse is given by Q then P. So Q is second sentence and P is first sentence. So reverse the sentence. Option B is the answer. The next one, 16th one. The converse of the statement, if sun is not shining, then sky is filled with clouds. Converse again Q then P. You can write down, first write down second sentence. If sky is filled with clouds, then sun is not shining. So that is option E. You can observe here again Q then P, converse. So reverse the statement. If sky is filled with clouds, then sun is not shining. Seventeenth one. The contrapositive of the statement, if P then Q, that is option C. That is, if negation Q then negation P. So this is the definition of the contrapositive, negation Q then negation P. 18th one. 18th one, we have to write the converse. If x square is not even, then x is not even. Converse Q then P. That is, if x is not even, then x square is not even. Option B, just reversing the statement. If x is not even, then x square is not even. Question number 19. Contrapositive. Negation Q, then negation P. The sentence is, if Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab, then Chandigarh is in India. You can write, if Chandigarh is not in India, then Chandigarh is not the capital of Punjab. So this will be option E. Contrapositive, negation Q, then negation P. If Chandigarh is not in India, then Chandigarh is not the capital of Punjab. Twentieth, option C, P only if Q. Go for next one. Twenty-first. The negation of this statement, the product of 3 and 4 is 9. It is only one statement. The product of 3 and 4 is 9. Negation, you can write not or, it is false that the product of 3 and 4 is 9. You can observe here option D is not the answer because they have included not here. Instead of writing not, you can write it is false that. Go for next one. Which of the following is not a negation? 22. Not a negation of a natural number is greater than 0. Here option C, 22. Option C is not the negation because they have included not and they have included it is false that. Here option C included it is false and one more not. Both words are included. So therefore option C is not the negation. For the negation they have to include either of one. Which of the following statement is a conjunction? So here this is not none of the above, all of the above. Option D, because Ram and Shyam are friends. Both Ram and Shyam are tall. Both Ram and Shyam are enemies. So these are the questions we come across in mathematical reasoning. So next we have to go for statistics. Next we have to go for statistics in mathematical reasoning. So I will revise once again. Very important is negation of P or Q, negation of P and Q, negation of P then Q. 3 formulas, and then inverse, converse, contrapositive. Usually one question will be there in CET among these formulas, and also regarding the statements also. Regarding the statements. And in statistics, I will explain the steps and I will write the answer directly, final calculation, and we will solve the problems. And in statistics, so we have many formulas. Question number 1. The mean deviation of the data about the mean, that is, they have given xi 2 9 9 3 6 9 4 2 9 9 6 3 6 9 4. Find out x bar, nothing but mean, sigma xi divided by n. This will be 11 20 23 11 20 23 29 38 42. Sigma xi 42 divided by, there are 7 observations, that is 6. This will be xi minus x bar. This is ungrouped data. Xi minus x bar, that is 2 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 6, 3 3 3 0 3 and then 2. Observe, 2 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 3 minus 6, 6 minus 6, 9 minus 6, 4 minus 6. Add this, this will be sigma xi minus x bar. 5, 8, 11, 14, 18. So mean deviation about the mean is given by sigma xi minus x bar divided by n, that is equal to 18 divided by 7. 7 to the 2.57, you will get it. Option B is the answer. So I will repeat once again. This is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. In ungrouped data, first we have to calculate sigma x, sum of the observations, find out the mean. This is mean. The mean is given by 6. Find out sigma xi minus x bar. And mean deviation about the mean always equal to sigma xi minus x bar divided by n, that is 2.57. Clear? Usually they will give ungrouped data, which is easy to calculate in 1 minute. We go for next one. Second one, the variance of the data. The variance 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 17 is given by 23.33. What is the variance of 4, 8, 10, 12, 16, 34. A variance nothing but sigma square. You can observe these two. Here double is there, exactly double. So therefore 23.33 into 2, that is equal to 46.66. 46.66. Option C, variance. Just go through the problem. They have given variance of some data. They are asking variance of other data which is double. So therefore multiply the variance by 2. Now that is question number 3. A set of n values x1, x2, x3, xn, standard deviation is equal to 6. A standard deviation of n values x1 plus k, x2 plus k, x3 plus k, etc. xn plus k will be. What is the standard deviation they are asking? You can observe here, the standard deviation of some data is given. If you add constant term to each observation, the standard deviation will not change. No change in standard deviation. That will be 6 only. Option A is the answer. Standard deviation will not change if you add the constant thing to every observation. Clear? Again, the fourth one. Fourth one is again similar. xi they have given 3, 10, 10, 4, 7, 10, 5. Calculate sigma xi, you will get 49, 13, 23, 27, 34, 44, 49. X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. 49 divided by, this is 7 observations, sigma xi minus x bar 4, 3, 3, again 3, 0, 3, 2, sigma xi minus x bar. So this will be 5, 8, 11, 14, 18. So therefore mean deviation about the median sigma xi minus x bar divided by n, 18 divided by 17. That will be 2.57. Option B is the answer. Mean deviation about the mean is very easy for ungrouped data, which is containing a series of observations. Next one, fifth one. Fifth one is a formula. Option B. Fifth one is a formula. Now sixth one. Sixth one, when tested the lives of 5 bulbs were noted as follows. So they have given xi. You can calculate this: 1357, 1090, 1666, 1494, 1623. So calculate sigma xi and calculate x bar sigma xi by n, and calculate xi minus x bar, and also calculate sigma xi minus x bar. So mean deviation above the mean is given by 178. So you calculate this. So they have given 5 observations. All 5 observations are 4-digit numbers. Since it is 4-digit number, I am leaving to you. You can calculate easily. So mean deviation from their mean, finally you will get 178. So we will solve another problem. This is as usual previous 2 problems. I have given the final answer. You can calculate easily. We'll go for next one. So before going to this, mean deviation about the median formula I will give. N is odd, then n plus 1 by 2 observation. N is even, that is mean of n by 2th observation plus n by 2th plus 1 observation. Now the 7th one, so they are asking, following are the marks obtained by 9 students in mathematics test. 9 students. Since they are asking median, write this in ascending order or descending order. xi 20, 33, 39, 40, 50, 53, 59, 65, 69. You can observe. So first write down in ascending order. Here n is 9. N is 9, that is odd number. Therefore 9 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5th observation. So 5th observation is what? 50. So median m is equal to 50 here. Median is 50 here. So therefore xi minus m, calculate. So this will be 30, 15, 11, 10, 0, 3, 9, 15, 19. So and calculate sigma xi minus m. Calculate sigma xi minus m. You will get 114. Finally, mean deviation about the median is given by sigma xi minus m divided by 9. So this will be 114 divided by 9. 114 divided by 9 is 12.67. 12.67. I will repeat once again. Following are the marks obtained by 9 students in a mathematics test. First write down the given data either in ascending order or in descending order. After writing in ascending order, n is 9, which is an odd number. Find out the median, which is 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 5th term, m is 50. Calculate xi minus m for each observation. Add So finally you will get mean deviation about the median 12.67. Clear? Okay. Here also we are doing median for ungrouped data. Standard deviation they are asking. The standard deviation formula I will give you: square root of sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. So here they have given xi, that is 6, 5, 9, 13, 12, 8, 10. You can observe here 6, 5, 9, 13, 12, 8, 10. You can calculate sigma xi and also make it square, that is 36, 25, 81, 169, 144, 64, 100. You calculate sigma xi square, sigma xi and sigma xi square. So here n is 7, n is 7 observations. You know the value of n, you know sigma xi, you can add it 10, 13, 22, 27, 33, 63. Here you can calculate 11, 12, 21, 25, 29, 8, 12, 18, 26, 28, 31, 3, that is 619. Substitute everything in the formula. So you will get 52 by 7, root of 52 by 7. Root of 52 by 7, standard deviation. So calculate. Whenever standard deviation is asked, first you should find out xi, then xi square. After that you find out the sigma, square root of sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. So finally you will get root of 52 by 7. So you can check this. I'm just giving the formulas, relevant formulas. Usually they will give the simple numbers. We'll go for next one. Ninth one is a formula. Ninth one C. Tenth one, the mean of 100 observations, n is equal to 100 and that is mean is x bar 50. Standard deviation is 5. They are asking sum of the squares, sigma xi square. So here x bar nothing but sigma xi by n. The formula sigma square I will write down. Sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. So this will be 25. Sigma xi square question mark. N will be 100 minus 50 square. 50 square. So now sigma xi square 25 plus 50 square into 100. Sigma xi square you will get 252 500. Here you can observe sigma square, that is 25, sigma xi square by n is 100, sigma xi by n is 50 square. You transfer this to left, 25 plus 50 square into 100. 2500 in plus 25, 2525 into 100. 252,500. That is option C. Option C is the answer. I will repeat once again. The mean of 100 observations, n is equal to 100 and mean is 50. Their standard deviation is 5. Sigma xi square. Sigma square is equal to sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. That is 5 square 25, sigma xi square divided by n is 100, 50 square. Shift 50 square to left hand side and multiply 100. You will get 252,500. We'll move on to next one. Eleventh one, A, B, C, D, E are the observation with mean M and standard deviation S. The standard deviation of, that is actual observations are A, B, C, D, E. You add K to this. They are asking this standard deviation is sigma. This standard deviation is also sigma. Standard deviation they are given S. Instead of sigma they have given S. Standard deviation will not change. So we already proved this. Standard deviation, if you add constant value to the actual observations, it will not change. Option A itself is the answer. Next one. 12th one. So here x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. x1, x2 observations. Standard deviation again S. What is the standard deviation of kx1, kx2, kx3, kx4, kx5? Standard deviation is S. What is the standard deviation they are asking? This is Ks. Standard deviation always multiplied by K. Whenever constant is added, there is no change in the standard deviation. Thirteenth one. Let x1, x2, xn be the n observations. Let wi, let us take wi bar is equal to L xi bar plus k. Mean of xi's, that is sigma x bar is equal to 48 and standard deviation 12. The mean of wi will be 55. This is xi. wi will be 15. The values of L and k. You can observe here wi is equal to Lxi plus k. X observations they have given x bar. W observation they have given w bar. So we have to calculate L and k. The equation will be wi bar, that is 55, is equal to L, x bar is 48 plus k. Observe this. 55 is equal to L into 48 plus k. Observe 4 options. Substitute the options. First option is what? L is equal to 1.25. K is equal to -5. Substitute in this whether LHL is equal to RHL, it will satisfy. Here 55 is equal to 1.25 into 48 minus 5. 55 is equal to 55. Therefore, option A itself is the answer. So, no need to do any other method. You can do easily the substitution method. Using substitution method, you can calculate L and K easily. We'll go for next one. Standard deviation of first 10 natural numbers. Standard deviation of natural numbers is given by n square minus 1 divided by 12. Standard deviation of first 10 natural numbers. So here n is equal to 10. Substitute in this. 10 square minus 1 divided by 12. Sigma is equal to 99 by 12. So this will be sigma is equal to square root of 8.25. 8.25 square root approximately 2.87. Option D is the answer. The formula for standard deviation of natural numbers is given by square root of n square minus 1 divided by 12. Substitute n is equal to 10. Sigma is equal to root of 10 square minus 1 divided by 12. So we will get 2.87. Option D is the answer. Fifteenth question is we have to calculate the variance. Consider the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. If 1 is added to each number, variance of the so obtained. Here you should add 1 to each number, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then you should calculate the variance using the formula sigma square is equal to sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. So you will get 8.25. Option D. Here they have given the numbers. If 1 is added to each number, variance you should calculate. As you know, if constant is added to each number, the variance will not change or standard deviation. You calculate using this. And one more formula is very important for you, coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is always given by sigma by x bar into 100. This formula is also very important. Coefficient of variation is equal to sigma by x bar into 100. On the basis of this coefficient of variation, they can also ask the questions. Students, in these two topics, mathematical reasoning and statistics, in JEE 2 questions will appear, and in CET mathematical reasoning one is compulsory. Statistics, depending on the question paper setter, it is appearing. For statistics you should be perfect with the formulas, and depend on the time factor also you can answer this question. So go through everything. All 8 units of first year completed. Go through each and every question. So thank you everyone. Thank you.